Printable Pros will show you how to quickly create a successful printable business on Etsy, your own blog, or your website. The choice is yours. Level up to earn thousands a month with my bonus Printable Plus strategy. Bonus content is also included, such as checklists, lead magnets, swipe files, shop graphics, and much more. This is an all-inclusive course that will help you generate passive income with in-demand printables. Join the $1 million printable market. Discover the secrets to making six figures in the ever-growing printable market. Learn exactly how to create and launch a wildly profitable Etsy shop in just a few days. Don't want to sell on Etsy? Uncover the top money-making strategies for selling directly from your own storefront. Discover the top printable niches. Add these to your shop and skyrocket your income quickly. Printables will always sell. Period. The printable market quickly beat out nearly all of my other income sources, all within the first few months. I say nearly all because I'm a New York Times bestseller and my books will always be my main bread and butter, but this was damn close. In fact, it makes me want to break all my own rules about never putting all my eggs into one basket because every time I release a new printable product, people scramble to buy it. Printables are for everyone, the die-hard planner, the obsessively organized, the people who have to document every single thing, the overachievers, the business people, and the stay-at-home parent who is searching for order, just to name a few. And all of those people will happily pay for printables that help them do all the things. Whether it's weight loss planners, goal trackers or printables that focus on highlighting important milestones and accomplishments in life like weddings or baby showers, the demand for quality printables is never ending. And as long as humans exist, it always will be. Okay, so now on to the how you're gonna do it part. Smile. Introducing Printable Pros. Printable Pros is a step-by-step training program that will take you from zero to success, yes, even if you're a total beginner. Not only will I reveal my top money-making strategies, but my style of teaching is pretty direct. No fluff, no theory, just practical steps based on proven results. My goal is to help you get results like these.